Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has ratified a new law allowing certain prisoners to be paroled if they agree to enlist in the country's military. This legislation, aimed at bolstering Ukraine's military ranks, comes in response to the significant challenges the nation faces in its conflict with Russia. The details of the new law were published on the official website of the Ukrainian Parliament, the Verkhovna Rada. Initially submitted to the legislature in March, the bill is part of a broader effort by Ukraine to replenish its military forces. The legislation enables Ukrainian inmates to voluntarily enlist on a contractual basis and serve as long as martial law is in effect. The law specifically applies to convicts with 3 years or less remaining on their original prison sentences. The law does not include individuals convicted of premeditated murder, rape, drug trafficking and production, crimes against national security, or corruption. However, those convicted of involuntary manslaughter are eligible, except in cases where the crime was committed while intoxicated. Ukrainian Justice Minister Denis Malyuska clarified that the mobilized convicts would be placed in special units where they might undertake tasks unrelated to direct combat or the handling of weapons. These roles could include building infrastructure and other essential fieldwork. Malyuska also highlighted that this legislation could potentially augment Ukraine's troop numbers by as many as 20,000 soldiers. In addition to this new measure, President Zelensky last month signed a mobilization law that lowered the conscription age from 27 to 25, expanded the powers of enlistment officers, and introduced penalties for draft evaders, including fines of up to $640. The Ukrainian government has maintained that around 31,000 servicemen have been killed since the conflict began in February 2022. However, early this month, former Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu claimed that Ukrainian military casualties this year alone have exceeded 111,000 soldiers. This latest move highlights Ukraine's urgent need to address critical shortages of manpower on the front lines, reflecting the intense and ongoing nature of the conflict with Russia. By allowing certain prisoners the chance for parole through military service, Ukraine aims to strengthen its defensive capabilities while managing the complexities of a prolonged war.